See that button right there? You press it, and that lets you open the doors. We'll go inside in just a second, but I want to show you the front first. Check out those headlights. You actually have a hidden button right here. Pops that open like that. That's your charger. Will take 3 hours to charge. We'll be able to fly for 35 minutes. All right. Propellers, all carbon fiber. Actually, the entire thing is carbon fiber, but this just is like exposed. Looks super cool. You have green on this side and red on the other side to let other flyers know which direction you're flying in. Xpeng. Because this is like the prototype for what's gonna be the world's first ever flying car. This is gonna come out in 2024. And this version can already fly up in the air. All right, inside, got this premium carbon fiber, glossy, looks cool, Alcantara leather on the seats and on the roof. And when you go inside, you have these like fighter jet style toggles. Right there, that's your power button. Turn it on and off, and that is a camera to keep an eye on you. You can actually just press this button, wave to the camera, see the outside. You have another button right here, which lets you check out your battery, your sensors, your motor, your flight time. And if you want to select where to travel to, all you gotta do is press start, select your destination, and this will fly completely autonomously. Right here you have displays for both passengers, no steering wheel. But anyways, that is the Xpeng X2. What do you guys think?